Salva is very good in many things, but it's one thing he's really not good in, it's like
in picking names. Yeah.
So he had really weird names for ONA. One was like
Lipomet.
I'm not working for a company that sounds like liposuction, so we didn't do
it's
that.
True.
We didn't do
But
that.
that was like. So in 2016, in the Stem Cell and Cancer Lab at the IRB Barcelona, we identified the population responsible for metastasis. Metastasis is the spread of tumors to distant organs, which unfortunately is the primary cause of cancer-related death. What we found is that these cells depend entirely on the uptake of fats, and that by blocking the internalization of fats into these cells, we could block the initiation and the progression of metastasis. Of course, we found these results to be very interesting and of very big therapeutic potential. Immediately, with collaboration of the Technology Transfer Department at the IRB, we filed a patent, and this became the foundations for the starting of ONA Therapeutics, in which the main objective is actually to be able to stop the uptake of the fatty acids in order to hopefully bring a therapy for patients.
When I was briefed on the scientific discovery and the idea of turning this scientific discovery into a drug that really could make a difference in cancer patients, I was immediately excited. So together with Salva and the help of IRB Barcelona and ICREA, we started the company, ONA Therapeutics, in May 2019, and we obtained seed funding of 1.5 million from Asabi's partners. With that money, we managed to validate the results. We were lucky that it worked, because with such promising results, 5 VCs, international healthcare specialist VCs, teamed up and decided to invest in us with a 30 million Series A round. So we now have a molecule that we want to develop into the clinic. So the first stage is now to do all the IND regulatory studies and then hopefully start a clinical trial, with the idea to really show clinical efficacy. And once we show that, we'll be very attractive for other big pharma who would then license the molecule and really put it into the market so it makes a difference in cancer patients' life.